Waterproofing and water management are essential for protecting structures, minimizing damage, and enhancing home valuations. Let's meet with our water management expert, Bill Hoffman, to learn about his proactive approach to managing both interior and exterior water issues.
Waterproofing in construction is the installation or the process of a system or technique installed on a foundation to prevent the bulk transmission of water through that foundation. Weather is dynamic. For example, this past summer, this area in particular experienced 4 to 5 rain events that exceeded 3 inches or more. These types of rain events have put even more of a focus on protecting both existing and new construction foundations.
Having waterproofed over 100,000 new construction foundations and thousands of existing basements, National American Water Management understands that no two homes and their water issues are the same.
The personality of a property is determined by how the property reacts during a storm event. When a homeowner is looking to buy a prospective home, from a macro point of view, they need to look at the surrounding area and geography around the home, and they need to make sure that properties adjacent to the home don't shed water towards the foundation. From a micro point of view, I ask that homeowners walk around the outside of their house during a rain event with an umbrella, as long as it's not thundering and lightning, and look at how the gutters, the downspouts perform, and also look for ponding against the foundation. Our company does offer free estimates, and seeing is believing in this business. It's important for us to get on site within the home and within the basement to determine a source of action. While there are other parts of the home that can actually leak and create water leakage issues, our company specializes predominantly in below-grade basement space, both new construction and existing homes. Our most common method is installing a subfloor perimeter trench drainage system, commonly referred to as a French drain. However, we also do crack repairs, structural repairs, and we manage water vapor.
Don't settle for a damp, dark basement that adds no value to your home. These waterproofing solutions allow you to transform your basement into livable space with the confidence that future water issues are no longer a concern.
We hired National American Waterproofing because we know that they are a trusted name in the business, and I did not hesitate to call when we needed waterproofing remedies and solutions. The experience working with National American Water has been seamless. They explain all the work before it's going to be done, and their performance is fast and reliable. I highly recommend National American Waterproofing.
We consider a successful job is a job that doesn't have a callback. For example, we recently waterproofed the new foundation of a high-end structure being built by the owner of a local sports team. The purpose of that basement was solely to store the owner's artwork. So it was critical that that basement didn't leak. On the new construction side of our business, manufacturers offer manufacturer warranties, and the warranties range anywhere from 5 to 30 years. On an existing structure, the key to any system's longevity is maintenance. It's recommended that you check the sump pump for operability every year or so, and perhaps flush the system every 3 to 5 years.
Effective water management and waterproofing systems rely upon power to operate. As the frequency and intensity of storms increases, it is important to install power redundancy in the event of an electrical power outage.
The waterproofing industry is evolving every day. For example, we've pioneered the addition of dimple drain waterproofing in the new construction market. Dimple drain waterproofing has now replaced fluid applied waterproofing for the most part on new construction foundations. So the silver lining with the dynamic weather changes is that more focus is being put on the importance of foundation waterproofing, both in new construction and existing basements. Homeowners and builders are becoming more educated to the importance of waterproofing. They're allowing their budgets to accommodate foundation waterproofing, and it's allowing builders to confidently install waterproofing so that basements won't leak in the future. Knowledge comes with experience. I've been in the business for 30 years, and I've literally touched tens of thousands of new construction foundations and existing basements. Combined experience in my company is well over 100 years. We've seen it all, and there really isn't any problem that we can't tackle.
To find out more about National American Water Management, visit AmericanWaterManagement.com and DesigningsPaces.tv.